Almaty Metro. One of the most amazing sights in Almaty is the impressive metro system. It opened in December 2011, and it is a fast, cheap, and convenient way to move around Almaty, especially during the winter when temperatures often drop below -10 degrees. Each station of the metro is unique with beautiful mosaic and stained glass artwork. It's the cheapest way to travel through the city.
London Black Cab. One of the most famous sights in London is the Black Cab. This type of cab has carried passengers around London for almost 200 years. Every black cab driver must pass a special test called the knowledge before they get their license.
To pass, they must learn every single street in London. That's more than 25,000 streets.
Although they're quite expensive, you know you'll get to your destination as fast as possible.